All right, so here we go, 2022 Wildcat 260RD. You're gonna love this walkthrough because we just sit here and it's like the RV walks around us.
It's nice. We don't have to worry about the AC being on all the time.
That's right. So this is so new that we don't even have the price yet.
Yeah,
But,
I formed that this morning. It's that new.
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked to see this thing. So it looks like the outside, obviously, we're gonna slide out there.
Big pass-through storage right off the top there. It has fit anything in there, big coolers, wood, I mean, all kinds of stuff. So
Awesome. I like that front end. Get my head out of the way.
exactly. Looks like electric power gear too, landing gear there for the front tongue of the fifth wheel.
Right there. Can you? Okay, I'm going to test you.
Yeah.
Can you point to that reflector? Put your finger on that reflector. Wrong hand. You started off with the wrong hand even. There you go. After you figured out what hand.
I always make the L. That's my left. There we go.
All right, we're obviously inside the thing and we've taken off. I'm assuming the kitchen is right behind me right now. There it is.
Correct.
Because I saw the refrigerator. That's kind of gave it away.
Stainless steel. Looks like a 12 volt.
Yeah. I like the backsplash back there. It's kind of homey looking. Homely.
Farmhouse sink.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
Nice counter space there next to. Lots of counter space there next to the stove.
Yeah, underneath the TV.
Right there underneath the TV, yeah. So plenty of room there in the kitchen. Obviously the steps up into what looked like the master bedroom, but I think we're gonna spin back around and take a look at the, nope, we're gonna go up into the bedroom.
Nope.
Again, these are brand new 2022 RVs that we couldn't get inside and tour, so all we could do was take our cameras in and show you what they look like. So you're getting very, very exclusive sneak peeks. Obviously there is the bedroom with plenty of, it looks like a slide over here.
Correct.
Slide.
Yep, that's going to be a wood-rib slide. It looks like the bed's also going to lift up too. The bed will just be able to lift up and be on struts and
have space under here. To
storage underneath for stuff. His and hers nightstands. It looks like, along with his and her dressers right above them. And a bunch of USB plugs right there too. CPAPs, all that good stuff.
And I'm assuming right here behind me, like right back here. Oh, I made that looks like a roller point behind me. Right back there is probably most likely ready for a TV.
Oh yes. Yep. Definitely prepped for a TV.
Little corner shower there.
Full glass enclosure too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. And it looks like that's part of the slide.
It does. So it looks like it kind of opens up the bathroom a little bit too with that slide. That's not something you see all the time.
Right. So I'm assuming that's a second entrance then, right?
Yeah. Looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah. So what we're looking at is right here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, they're taking us through it. Walking through it.
That saves, especially with a couple. You know, you don't have to mess with each other going on each side of the bed or getting dressed in the morning or something. So
that's good. That's good. So there you go. Another look at the bedroom. Back out to the kitchen. Yeah. I like the lights behind the TV. There was something behind the TV and some accent lighting behind it.
Yeah.
Lots of cabinet space, obviously. Very good to have.
I do like the black accent on the sink. It helps hide stuff a lot better as far as scratches and dings.
Right. Yeah, looks good.
A lot of cabinetry space right there.
So there you go. Again, there's the stove. Do you know if it's 3 or 4 burner? It looks like it might be.
It's going to be 4 burner.
4 burners.
Yes, the other power knob will control the lighted backlight on the knobs right there.
Gotcha.
That's going to drop down for sleeping too. Theater seating. That's nice.
And yeah, so it looks like we're just kind of recapping what's back there. There again is the slide-out wardrobe.
Yeah. That
slides out so you can also get into the bathroom from that side.
A lot of storage everywhere.
I would say a lot of storage in this thing. And spin back around one more time, get a look at the bathroom, the corner shower. There's, of course, some
toilet's in a good position.
Yeah. Yeah, and I like that you've got some room just to hang towels.
Yeah.
It drives me crazy when I go into places. Sometimes it's even like hotel rooms where they don't have a place for you to hook your towel. You either have to have it set across on the counter or you have to set it on that nasty floor.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's cool. It's right there. You can get to it.
Big skylight. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. So probably no matter how tall you are, give or take,
yeah,
you're going to be able to fit into that shower. If you're interested and you want more information, call us. We would love to talk to you about these RVs, especially the ones that we don't actually have on the lot yet because nobody does. You do have the information about them. You can tell folks.
Correct, and a price too, which is rare. I mean, we give you a price and price protected their whole build, so that's always nice for customers.
Yeah, love it. So please feel free to get through to us and talk about these things or get your RV today. I do actually have a live walkthrough, like a physical walkthrough that I'm going to go do. I'm doing it right now, Tim?
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Nathan.
Yeah, 19 MBH, so.
All right, we'll head over.